Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you for taking the time to come and watch my video. If you have not already, please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We do have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on, so you definitely want to join our little family here if you love unboxings and enter that contest. I will put a link down below. Make sure you turn on your notification bell if you have not already, as I am also doing some live giveaways coming up, so you want to be notified when I go live. And as always, please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. As you can see from the description, today we are unboxing the Green Spa Box Big Luxe Box Lovers Edition. This is, I'm sure, going to be absolutely amazing. I have unboxed the regular subscription before. It is $14.95 a month, so you can sign up. I will put a link below if you would like to do so to get the monthly subscription of the Green Spa Box for $14.95 every month. This they will do every now and then. They will do different themed bigger boxes, and you can purchase them. This one is $39.95, and I can't wait to get in here and see what is in this box. I'm sure it is going to be amazing. So let's dive on in. It came in an outer packaging, so there's nothing to, no tape to cut or anything. So let's just dive in here. I think the box is super cute. And I think the Lovers Edition. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, y'all. Can we just, yes. That is so beautiful. Okay. Y'all know how I feel about presentation, so I mean, this is like absolutely gorgeous. Like, I don't even want to rip it. I had to. Okay, so we open it, and we have a card, and it says, introducing the Big Luxe Box Lovers Edition. Spread the love. A season full of love and friendship has come, but also a time to remember that love starts with ourselves by taking care of our bodies and minds. We are so excited that you can join our amazing product. You can enjoy our amazing products, and we know you will spend the most amazing Valentine's Day thanks to these great selections. Either if you receive this box as a gift or you decided to buy it for yourself, we know that you will simply love it. So make sure to share your product review and experience with us online by joining our community on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Pinterest. Stay tuned for your next box filled with amazing products. Enjoy and happy Valentine's Day. From Betsy's, the founder, and the Green Spa Box team. So that is the card. So you guys, like I said, I know just from doing the monthly one that this, I'm sure, is going to be amazing. So I think this is actually telling us a little bit about some of the stuff, so I'm going to set this to the side. Like I said, this is $39.95 for this box. The monthly subscription is $14.95. I will leave a link below for the monthly subscription, and if you would like to purchase the Lovers Edition, if it is still available. As of right now, when I am making this video, it is still available. So if you enjoy this content and these items and you want to pick one up, the link will be below. So let's dive in. This is what I see when I open it, so I'm a little curious. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness. There is like so much stuff in here. Y'all, okay. Whew. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so stinking adorable. Oh, okay. Y'all, it is like, it's a bathrobe, but like a, oh, like, how cute is this? And it is so soft, like so soft. And the bow, are you kidding me? And there is a matching like headband in here. Y'all, for real, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. So you've got this adorable little like strapless bathrobe and this matching headband bow. I'm just at a loss for words, y'all. This is so cute. Can you just imagine how adorable you'd be walking around the house? Like, this is so precious. Okay. I'm like, y'all, this is just amazing. Okay. That was just like the beginning. So yeah, I'm just like in shock right now. Okay. Let's see. What are you? I don't know, but it's super cute in the packaging. This is literally like one of the little Valentine treat bags I would send stuff to Christopher's class in. That is so cute. Okay. What is this? Oh my goodness. Okay. Y'all, it is this absolutely beautiful bracelet. Like, that is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. But it came with this card and I was reading it. Okay. Take a moment to appreciate how amazing you are. And that's not only why you transmit, there's your magic. Take time to pamper yourself. Self-love resides first in ourselves, so we give it away to others. With love, Musa by Diddy. You guys, this is just so beautiful. Let's see. Handmade jewelry. Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is beautiful. And it is like adjustable. Oh, look, I caught on my ring. Okay. And then you can just adjust. How cute is that? That is so beautiful. Okay, yes. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh, okay. This is a chocolate facial and body mask. It says to use, mix 2 tablespoons of the dry mask with 1 tablespoon of warm water till smooth paste forms. Use immediately as full pedicure, manicure, or facial application. Yes. How awesome is that? A chocolate facial? Yes. Okay. I love it. Let's see. This is a coupon for a free downloadable art print. So this came with it as well. And this is from Love Reborn. It's art by Edgardo Riviera. Okay, there is that. And then we have here rose petals. Distribute the petals across any surface you wish. For decorative use only. Okay. Okay, so you could like, I guess like potpourri, like, oh, I can kind of smell it. It smells so good. You could like put this, you know, in, I have quite a few of the like artificial ficus trees and things. You could like sprinkle this kind of stuff in the bottom, like a potpourri. So that's really awesome. This box is great. I'm loving it. All right. This is adorable. This is a handmade purse. Carmen Fernandez. Y'all, this is so cute. Look at this. How adorable is this little thing? Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Oh. Y'all, this box is awesome. This is like amazing. Okay. Ooh. You are awfully pretty. This is lip gloss by Jaden Madison, Intentions. That is so pretty. I am loving this box, like for real. Like, it is so amazing. Okay. What are you? Oh, y'all. Champagne massage oil. Says use it as an all over body massage oil or add a few drops to a warm bath water. I have a glass of champagne maybe while you use your champagne massage oil. That is awesome. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. And there is still one more thing in here, y'all. What is this? So here we have this. It says Strawberry Love. Normal to dry skin. Apply anywhere for instant moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and smelling great. So it is a lotion. That is, okay, that's unique. It's like you push this down to get the lotion out. That's really awesome. I like that. So I'm assuming it is strawberry scented, and that's a really good size. That's so cool. Have that sitting like on your dresser and you just walk by and go pump pump and get you some lotion. So y'all, this box, we got the lotion, which is awesome, the champagne massage oil, this beautiful lip gloss. That color really is gorgeous. This beautiful little handmade purse that is so cute. The rose petals that we can sprinkle around that will make everything smell great. The chocolate facial and body mask. This gorgeous bracelet right here, which is super, super beautiful. There was the coupon for the free download, art download, and then this so stinking cute head bow and matching bath, like shower robe, and it's like strapless, and it is so adorable, so soft. Y'all, this box is just really so amazing. Oh my gosh, their products are awesome. So yes, I love it. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like I said, I will leave a link for their regular monthly subscription, which is $14.95, and then I will leave a link to the Big Luxe Lovers Edition box if you would like to purchase one. Again, it is $39.95. And again, let me know what you guys think. I thought this was absolutely amazing and 100% worth the price. So I hope you all enjoyed, and I will talk with you with the next video. Bye.